regarding cooperative societies in India. Answer Review 1. Question 1 points. Consider the following statements. Hydrogen is an energy carrier, not a source of energy. Fuel cell-based vehicles most commonly combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity to power the electric motor on board. Hydrogen is twice as efficient as burning petrol. How many of the above statements are correct? The only one, D, only two, C, all three, D, none. Incorrect solution, C. Hydrogen is an energy carrier, not a source of energy. Hydrogen fuel must be transformed into electricity by a device called a fuel cell stack before it can be used to power a car or truck. A fuel cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy using oxidizing agents through an oxidation-reduction reaction. Fuel cell-based vehicles most commonly combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity to power the electric motor on board. Since fuel cell vehicles use electricity to run, they are considered electric vehicles, EVs. Hydrogen fuel cell cars have a near zero carbon footprint. Hydrogen is about 2 to 3 times as efficient as burning petrol, because an electric chemical reaction is much more efficient than combustion. 2. Question 1 points. Which of the following is the most important factor for the formation of smog? A. Rapid fall in temperature with increasing height above the sea level. B. Formation of an inversion lake. C. Presence of many air pollutant resources. D. Long winter nights. Incorrect. Solution, C. Smog is basically derived from the merging of two words, smoke and fog. Smog is also used to describe the type of fog which has smoke or soot in it. Smog is a yellowish or blackish fog formed mainly by a mixture of pollutants in the atmosphere which consist of fine particles and ground level ozone. Smog, which occurs mainly because of air pollution, can also be defined as a mixture of various gases with dust and water vapor. 3. Question 1 points. Consider the following statements regarding dark matter and dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force that drives the accelerating expansion of the universe. Dark matter interacts with the universe through its gravity. Dark energy constitutes roughly 27% and dark matter makes up about 68% of the universe. How many of the above statements are correct? The only one, B, only two, C, all three, D, none. Incorrect solution, D. Statement 3 is incorrect. Most of the universe is made up of dark energy, a mysterious force that drives the accelerating expansion of the universe. The next largest ingredient is dark matter, which only interacts with the rest of the universe through its gravity. Normal matter, including all the visible stars, planets and galaxies, makes up less than 5% of the total mass of the universe. Dark energy constitutes roughly 68% of the universe. Dark matter makes up about 27%. 4. Question 1 points. Consider the following statements. The revision of the electoral roll is conducted by the Election Commission of India annually. The amended election laws in India allows 4 qualifying dates every year to get included in the electoral rolls. One can find the final electoral rolls on the state chief electoral officers' websites. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only one, B, only two, C, all three, D, none. Incorrect solution, C. The Election Commission's annual exercise to revise the electoral roll concluded on January 5th with the publication of the final electoral roll, with January 1st, 2023 as the qualifying date. Additions, deletions and changes to entries on the rolls were incorporated during the Special Summary Revision, SSR, 2023 that started in July 2022. This revision was the first one since the government amended the election laws to allow 4 qualifying dates every year: January 1st, April 1st, July 1st and October 1st. Those who turn 18 after January 1st were also asked to submit their registration forms during the SSR so they may be included in the rolls as and when they qualify. These new electors would be included during quarterly updation. The final electoral rolls were available on most state chief electoral officers' websites for electors to search their names on. 5. Question 1 points. Consider the following statements. Ozone is mainly found between 10 and 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, do not cause much damage to the ozone layer, but are very powerful greenhouse gases. The Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol seeks to eliminate 100% of the HFCs currently in use by the year 2050. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1, 3, B, 1, 2, C, 1 only D, 1, 2, 3 incorrect solution D. Ozone, chemically, a molecule having 3 oxygen atoms, or O3, is found mainly in the upper atmosphere, an area called stratosphere, between 10 and 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface. It is critical for planetary life, since it absorbs ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. UV rays are known to cause skin cancer and many other diseases and deformities in plants and animals. Montreal Protocol was amended in 2016 to extend its mandate over hydrofluorocarbons, or HFCs, that have replaced the CFCs in industrial use. HFCs do not cause much damage to the ozone layer, the reason they were not originally banned, but are very powerful greenhouse gases. The Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol seeks to eliminate 80 to 90% of the HFCs currently in use by the year 2050.